In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Mailchimp emails. Whether you're building a newsletter, a promotion, or a simple announcement, adding a clear, well-placed image can make your message more engaging and easier to scan. I'll walk you through the process from inside Mailchimp's email editor and share a few quick pointers along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, open your email editor. That means heading into the campaign you're working on and opening the email builder so you can see your layout on the canvas. You should be looking at your design on the right and a panel with content options on the left. If you're using a template, the process is exactly the same. Next, add an image element by dragging and dropping it onto your email canvas. In the content panel, find the block labeled Image. Click and hold it, then drag it to the exact spot where you want the picture to live. Maybe at the top as a header banner or within a section of text. When you release, the image placeholder appears in your layout, ready for content. Click on that image element, and then click Add. This opens Mailchimp's Content Studio, which is your central library for all the files you use in emails, images, logos, and graphics. If you've uploaded this picture before, you could pick it here. But let's go ahead and bring in a new file. Now, click Upload. Your computer's file explorer will open so you can navigate through your folders and select the image you want to upload. Choose a clear, web-ready file such as a JPG or PNG. As you pick the image, it's a good idea to select a version that's optimized for email, sharp enough to look professional, but not so large that it slows down loading. Descriptive file names can also help you keep your library organized for future campaigns. Once you've selected your file, confirm the choice in the File Explorer. Mailchimp will upload it to your Content Studio and place it into the image block. You should now see a preview right in the editor, exactly where you positioned it on the canvas. And there you go. That's all. You've successfully uploaded an image to your Mailchimp email. From here, you can continue designing the rest of your message, confident that your visual is in place and ready to send. If you ever need to swap it out later, just click the image again and repeat these same steps. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.